Hi, are you ready to learn some new words? In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. The base word in this video is sing. Here are some words related to the base word. Singer, singers, singing, single, singled, singles, sings, singular, chasing, erasing, leasing, nursing. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. The seniors sing only modern songs. This singer is well known in Europe. These singers perform at weddings. They are singing the national anthem. Many single dads are great fathers. She was singled out for promotion. I made friends at the singles party. She sings just like Whitney Houston. Singular is the opposite of plural. The big horse is chasing the small dog. She is erasing the pencil outlines. They are leasing a new apartment. Living in a nursing home can be fun. Now let's review. Singer, singers, singing, single, singled, singles, sings, singular, chasing, erasing, leasing, nursing. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.